focus is how do we allow Filipinos from now becoming part of the financial ecosystem to be empowered to make decisions in their financial journey and uplift them in their daily lives.
May bago ng model na hindi possible before. Dahil may stablecoins na, you can do it directly by yourself. That's very powerful because you now have more control of your transaction.
AI, is it a blessing or a curse?
The only curse that AI will bring is if you're gonna be disrupted because you're not collaborating well with AI.
Regardless kung anong tech to, yung humanity natin mismo dapat nandun pa rin. Kasi at the end of the day, kaya lang naman nagpo-progress yung mga tech dahil sa mga tao.
I want to build an AI for us to definitely go ahead and make a due diligence for the correct people, organizations to check who's legit or not.
So isa sa mga pinaka-importante talaga dito sa crypto space natin is may sarili kayong kustodiya. That's why hardware wallets is a must. Every one of us should have a crypto wallet.
If you're asking yourself, when should you sell your Bitcoin? My answer is never. Because you can do stuff like this and you never have to let go of it. You can continue to just accumulate Bitcoin over time, borrow against it when you need it, pay back pag medyo mas maluwag ka. When Bitcoin is up again in price, you can borrow again.
Today, I'd like to share to you how specifically us in the SEC think about regulating this.
So I think the important part of gaming is to make sure that the game, that you have fun, and that the gaming experience is the most important part of the game. And so if you can earn on the side, that also helps.
Thank you for doing your part to learn more so that we can all get towards the goal of greater adoption and awareness.